Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video, we will write a program to control our gate. First, we open TIA portal. Now, we switch to the project view from here. Next, we create a new project. We call this project control gate. After that, we add a new controller to the project. We double-click on Add New Device. Then we click on Controllers. And from the category S7-1500, we choose our PLC. Let's choose this one. Once we add the PLC to our project, a security settings window will appear. This window will help us to configure the security settings for the PLC. We do not need a password for our PLC. And we also allow secure and legacy communication. We allow full access to our PLC. Now, we click on Finish. So, this is our PLC. The next step is to connect digital input and output modules to the PLC. We go to the hardware catalog and from the digital inputs category, we choose a digital inputs module. Let's choose this one. With drag and drop, we connect this module to the PLC. Now, we go to the hardware catalog again. This time, we open the digital outputs category. And with drag and drop, we connect the outputs module to the PLC. Now, we save our project and we click on Compile to see if there are any errors. There are no errors, but there are two warnings. This is because we don't have a password for the PLC. The hardware configuration is now finished. Next, we rename our PLC. We call it Control PLC. Now, we go to the PLC tags to create some PLC tags. We add a new tags table. We call the new tags table control gate. Now, we open the new tags table and add some PLC tags. Now, we close everything and we open the main function. Let's change the programming language of the main function. We right-click on the main function and switch the programming language to function block. Now, we can start writing our program. Let's call the first network data. We add assignment to the network 1 and connect the output gate up to this assignment. Next, we connect AND logic to the assignment and then we connect the digital inputs. This is the logic to open the gate. And now, we write the logic to close the gate. We call network to gate down and write similar logic to close the gate. After we finish, we can start the simulation to test our program. The PLC simulation is starting now. Next, we need to download our logic to the PLC simulation. Now, we click here to monitor the logic. You can see TIA portal is connected to the PLC and we can start testing now. We double-click on the digital inputs to change their values from false to true. As you can see, we cannot change the value of our inputs because these inputs are physical inputs, so we cannot change them from here. We have to press on the physical push button to test our logic. We will change the addresses of the inputs to memory to make the testing easier. We open the PLC tags table and change the input addresses to the memory. After we finish, we save the project and download it to the PLC simulation. Now, we can start testing. You can see we can open and close our gate using the up and down buttons. Now, we go back to our PLC tags table and change our digital input addresses again. Finally, we download our logic into the PLC once more. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.